Hello, fellow traders. Um, so today marks an event that's not, related too much to stocks, but it is to geopolitical events. Check it out. I'm not getting into it. It was an important day today. I did mark it on my calendar a year, 2 years ago. For the insiders, you know what I'm talking about when it comes to war cycles. But basically, uranium is a stock that picked up on that, and this week I'm tracking the UAC, not the Uranium Global, but anyways, on both of them I noticed. Yesterday we had a panic cycle and a direction change. We did close above one reversal. We're looking to today. Maybe to go back a little bit, but I think the low was in for it. You can see on the weekly as well, low, and we have all the way until the end of the month. The weekly is on 802. The monthly is even higher. So be careful today. But I think it's on the 4 hours. It might just go down a bit, but I think something major is happening geopolitically, and I know the news, but I'm not gonna just post it here. But check it out and subscribe for more details on my Substack, where I give more information.